Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to install a set of Poison Spyder front aluminum crusher flares onto your Jeep JK. These flares are really awesome, plus they look really nice onto the front of your Jeep. I've already got mine painted. Let's get started with the install. As you can see, we already have the factory fender flare and liner removed. To do that, you remove 5 10mm bolts, as well as a few clips and your side marker light. We have a couple of the holes already drilled, as well as a nut stud installed. I already had a set of Poison Spyder crusher flares on here. They got a little bit old, so I figured it was time for an update. We're going to start by installing this bracket up under the subframe, get it bolted on. Let's get started. We're only going to put this rear bolt in. We'll line up all the holes with the little nut tabs that went on the outside. I do have a set of Poison Spyder inner fenders, so we're going to do that at the same time. If you had regular inner fenders, you can cut those and use the included brackets. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to put the other 2 bolts in just to mock it up, that way we can get all these holes lined up. During this mock-up stage, I like to use a pick to get these inner tabs lined up. That way when we go to put the fender on, they go in nicely and you don't have to fight through these because it's kind of blind once you look at it from the front. It's just a little trick in order to make it a little bit easier for you. Use the 1-inch hardware for these 5 bolts. They're going to be at the top. They're going through your subframe bracket. For the rest of the bolts, you're going to use the 3/4-inch hardware that's provided. On the backside, place a washer, then your lock nut. After you have the entire fender on, the last step is actually to drill out this hole here. It's going to allow you to use a 3/4-inch marker light, which is going to be used to replace the factory side marker that you pulled off. We're going to start with a pilot hole and then bore it out to 3/4 of an inch. Once you have the LED installed, repeat all the processes on the other side of the Jeep and your installation is complete. We just finished up the install of the Poison Spyder aluminum crusher flares on the front of our JK. It looks really awesome, plus they're going to serve a great purpose out on the trail. They saved us a ton of weight and it gave us a lot more wheel clearance, that way we can fit a larger wheel and tire on our 2012 Jeep Wrangler. The installation time took about 2 hours, and you can do it with basic hand tools. Now you can find these flares as well as many other great parts for your JK right here at cjponyparts.com.